One of the things that goes as a sort of a red line, I think, in our inspiration is to try to make objects that makes people curious. The hoop is a pendant lamp that creates a clear character to the room.
Zero is actually one of our longest collaborations, one of our first pieces for production. We were recently graduated, and it was very exciting. But it's been Zero's been a really good collaborator during the years.
Zero has a long tradition of working with lights and a lot of technical knowledge about production, but also about different light source. They also have a long tradition of craftsmanship. And with the hoop lamp, we wanted to create a feeling of lamp being enclosed in a structure that was sort of carrying the light that would be as a physical form in the bottom of this structure.
We also wanted to create the lamp for another type of purpose and to work around the classic glow.
To enhance even more the feeling of that the materiality of light, that this body of light is sort of resting in this structure. We were hiding cable to the light source within the structure, so it has a little bit of a feeling of that it's a magical entity.
We wanted to use glass. It would give a lot of extra to the lamp. It's a lot about that, to make a lamp or anything that looks very simple, it's usually very complicated.
The collaborative process is really strong and creates very good ideas. The result is much better.